Artificial intelligence can generate millions of images in seconds, but will it ever truly replace the spark of human imagination? Today, we explore why AI acts as a tool for inspiration rather than a substitute for our unique creative spirit. To understand this shift, we must first define radical creativity, a concept driving the global paradigm change in how we view art. Unlike AI, which processes existing data patterns, human creativity stems from lived experience, emotional depth, and the ability to break rules entirely. Rather than supplanting us, AI is actually supporting human creators by acting as a catalyst for exploration. It serves as a bridge to new frontiers, allowing artists to experiment with styles and concepts they might never have dared to try on their own. However, challenges remain regarding the ethical considerations of using AI in the creative process. We must ask ourselves whether generated art truly honors originality, or if it merely mimics the past without the intention and soul that defines genuine human expression. While AI excels at identifying patterns and processing massive datasets, it lacks the capacity for true radical creativity. The value of creators will never diminish because our ability to connect emotionally with an audience is something algorithms cannot replicate. AI is revolutionizing entertainment by creating new possibilities for storytelling, but whether it becomes a genuine asset depends on our choices. We're moving towards a future where AI handles the technical heavy lifting, freeing humans to focus on the profound emotional core of creation. Ultimately, in this age of AI, creativity is not about speed or volume, it's about the unique perspective only a human can bring. The tool has evolved, but the artist remains the essential source of all radical innovation. So, while AI handles data and patterns, it cannot replace the human spirit. What is one way you use tools to enhance your own creativity? Share your thoughts in the comments below.